So you have in front of you two speakers who are each at home, one in Columbus, Ohio, and the other close to Rio.
Basically, I'm an art director and a creative director all at once. I am a designer. I'm also an illustrator and a stop-motion animator, which is a set of techniques I picked up along the way.
It's 6 a.m. today. I live in Rio de Janeiro. I'm a master in graphic design history. I use a lot my sketchbooks. It's like a mobile studio. Today, Jody. Hello, Timothy.
Hey, yeah, hello.
The last one I've done is this one. I think is the better one.
Pretty good, really pretty good in terms of spacing.
Okay.
The way it's really good. Thank you. In the middle, yeah. You have a lot of space between the N and the O. Anyone else? You'll be the next. Courageous. An O, a B, and another N. You have the same situation with both times. It's a very different behavior between the Brazilian students and the French students. I guess you have more people more concentrated, with more focus and more and sense of responsibility, I guess. Even the youngers.
Lou, if I could see that again, would you share your screen again? Here. Thank you. All right, this is lovely. Very lovely.
Thank you.
Interesting, yes.
I don't really know why I chose the word wave. So you tricky me.
I used a sheet of paper.
So if you're up over top of it while you're working. So we have 17 women and one man in the class, and I observed that the women are very gutsy.
Donc on peut commencer la présentation.
So here is my book. And at the middle of the book there is the poster like everyone.
My poster say être soi. Be yourself.
Pâte à pancakes pour Jean-Louis.
For these subjects, I used shade foam as well as coral lens.
It's really fun. It's really, really fun.
Très très beau travail, hein. Je suis impressionné de ce que vous avez fourni cette semaine. Je pense que tout le monde est ravi et du résultat et de la semaine.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank
Have a good weekend.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.